how to make this corsage and this boutonnière, keep watching. My name is Vanessa Michelle and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep watching and see what other new creative ideas or vlogs that I may come out with. So those are all of the items that I used. And that's the boutonnière. I'm probably saying it wrong, but I made it off camera because this is my first time making both items and I wanted to test it out and see how it would come out, but it came out so much more better than I expected. But right here I am making the ribbon to go at the base of the corsage. Now I watch many tutorials, so I'm definitely not a perfectionist when it comes to doing the bow and the ribbon, but definitely watch other videos if you guys really want to know how to do it correctly. I did it to the best of my ability and I still love how it came out. So right now I am gluing down the leaves for the base of the corsage just so it gives a little greenery. And those two little strings that you see, I'm going to use those to tie down the ribbon, to hold the ribbon in place. And you'll see that in a second. As you can see, I'm tying down the ribbon to keep that secure, and I did 3 knots to make sure it wasn't coming off. So since I didn't like those tail pieces sticking out like that, I just balled them up with a little bit of glue and I glued it to the middle, just so it gives a whole bunch of looping effect. I didn't really like how it looked sticking out and I didn't want to cut it. And I use that stem to help push down the leaves, since you know hot glue is pretty hot. So of course, if you are younger than 18, definitely have supervision with the hot gun if you want to make this corsage yourself. Make sure you have a parent or guardian with you. And right now I am using the 2 smaller thin ribbons that I bought from Walmart, one silver and one deep royal purple, to make smaller loops to add into the corsage. Now of course, like I said to you before, I am not perfect at this. I am new to this. I ain't true to this yet, but it was so fun creating it. I definitely know I have to practice on my ribbon skills before I could say I am a pro at it, but it still came out very, very nice. There go the 2 finished ribbons, and now it is time to put the flowers on. So I do not know the name of this flower. All of the flowers that I am using are faux flowers, since I wanted this piece, well, both pieces, to be keepsakes, because I asked my sister, since she's the last one that's going to prom, I asked her, does she want me to make it with fresh flowers or faux flowers? Because you know fresh flowers, they're gonna go bad, so you won't be able to keep them forever. But she said she wanted one to keep forever. She wanted a keepsake one, so that's what I made for her. And I'm going with the theme, so as you see, everything is purple for the most part, so you guys kind of have a sneak peek in regards to what color her gown is gonna be. But you won't get the details or really see the full effect until when she goes to prom and stuff. And I may record a vlog about that. We'll see. I'll ask her. But these are the small roses that I added to, which actually really was pretty big, but they were still gorgeous. Like a dark red. I mean, I said red, purple. And then I'm adding the baby's breath as a filler. And then I'm using the really small mini filler roses. I'm using white roses, and I'm also using pink roses as a contrast against all of the purple shades. And then I'm also using some blue flowers. That's like a deep blue, indigo, purplish undertone, just as like a standout color, since all the colors are relatively similar. And now I'm gluing in the small ribbons that I made previously. I kind of wish I added more of the silver ribbon to really pop out, but it's okay though. I still love it. And here I have these little gems to glue in, which really added that extra sparkle that I was looking for. I was so happy. And these are some little flowers that came with the bigger flowers as fillers, so I wanted to add those in there. As you can see on my table, it was really messy, but off camera I did add the little sprigs of the pearls, which were that extra like tie into the band. And that's it. It came out so nice, and I'm so excited, and I'm so happy I was able to make these pieces for my sister and her prom date. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys again soon.